Hello friends. So today we are going to start with a simple program which can download the Instagram profile picture for you. So let's get started. So to begin with, we first import a module which is the Insta loader. Now we define a function which will perform the downloading part. So we write def and then any name for the function. Now inside the function, we first create the object of our Insta loader. So we write object is equals to Insta loader dot. There is a method in the Insta loader called Insta loader. Yeah, we've created the object. Now let's just take a username from the user. So let's just ask user for the username. And then we enter whatever the question will be asked by the program. Enter the username. So here the user will enter the username. Now once we've created the object, let's just pass the username to the object. So our obj dot download profile will be given the username, and we also want it to specify that we want to download only the profile picture. So we write profile pic only. Profile pic only is equals to true, and then we return whatever is downloaded, and then we invoke the function. So for invoking the function, we just have to write profile, close the brackets, nothing else, save this, and to run it we use command prompt. So we just cd into the directory, and here we just have to type python 3, the name of the file, that is profile underscore picture, and once we run it, it'll ask us the username. So I give a username, that's my Instagram page, learnapply.build. Yes. So to check whether it has downloaded or not, we go to the folder structure, and here we can see it has downloaded the profile picture for my Instagram page, that is learn, apply and build. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video.